Hello everyone, this is my review of the KitchenAid tilt head mixer stand. This mixer is made of metal and is very heavy duty and powerful and durable. It can do just about any mixing task that you need and more. You can lock down the tilt head. As you see, it's locked there, and unlock it. Then you can tilt it up to give you easy access to your mixing container. Your mixing attachment is easy to take off and to put on. As you can see, you just turn it like this and you just come right off. It's spring loaded. Then you line up with a slot and you slide it back on and lock it in place and you're good to go. See that? It's pretty stable. So see, easy to come off and have access to your bowl and your mixing container if you need to, or to clean it. The bowl locks in as well and it's easy to come off. You just twist it and it unlocks, come right off. You can see the grooves here on the bottom, which locks into the base so it doesn't move around or you don't have to hold it while it's mixing. So that's pretty cool. Here are some of the attachments it comes with. You can get more for it as well. You can get additional attachments that will go into this slot here, like for making pasta. Let's see if you can see down in here. You can see the groove in there that you can stick your attachment into and have it working from in there. I'm going to turn on a bit here so you could see the different speeds that you can set it to, from a low speed to a higher speed. So whatever you need to mix at the right speeds you need. This mixer is the perfect tool for people who like to bake in the kitchen.